Well, I have this beautiful lady with me, Regina. Regina, by the way, let me just tell everybody we're twinning and we just realized it. Regina, who you? Yeah, absolutely twinning. Tell me who you're supporting today because by the color of your clothes, I can't figure who you're supporting.
I came neutral. I mean, just, obviously, yellow is my favorite. But I'm so glad again to be here today and see Karnataka and Bengal, like, literally, like, they are at it. This is such a serious match. Sometimes I feel like, is this CCL or IPL or what? Where are we? What are we doing?
I met you. Oh my God, there's a wicket again. Well, I've done it again. I've done it again. There was another wicket. Regina, I met you in Sharjah, okay, and that was the beginning of CCL. Now we are almost at the end. Bengal's played fantastically well. I don't know. I mean, it was just they were underdogs this time.
Yeah, they really were, right? Because even when we were having this conversation, Bengal didn't really come up as who's the favorite to win.
Yes.
But Karnataka is still there, trying to make sure they, don't.
Karnataka was one of the strongest. In fact, they were the strongest team last year also. They had a stroke of bad luck. They lost in the semis. And this year, somehow, they are back in the finals. And of course, they're favorites. But Bengal's like raring to go. Have you seen like the energy in their dugout?
I have. In fact, I'm sitting right behind them and I can feel it all the way there. And I mean, you can see it. Their fielding has been superb. I mean, you have like two people literally making sure the ball doesn't even go past. Wow. I think they deserve it. They deserve to be where they are today.
Absolutely, totally agree. And also the people sitting in the dugout now, they're also kind of, dancing and they're attracting the ball towards them. I don't know what all is happening and they're Khela Hobe. This kind of energy is amazing.
Yeah, it's nice to be a part of this energy also. I'm so glad to be here.
I think, are you still kind of waiting to play here?
I am. I haven't forgotten our conversation, okay? I really want to. In fact, just now also I was telling Madhu and Aditi that I would really love to be a part of this. I would love to be on the field doing that.
Which team?
God, why do you keep doing this to me?
Which team? Tell me.
Whoever wants me.
Everybody would want you. We are like actually in Kerala and we're playing with Bengal and Karnataka. Still, there's so much fun around it. It's not the home team, but still.
Yes. And that's the beauty of sport, right? It brings people together.
Absolutely. Any fun thing that you want to talk about, CCL?
Oh man, it's about the cricket and the after parties, and I can't wait to see who comes, the winner. It's going to be a great night tonight. I can bet on it.
Well, absolutely. Everybody is right now just eyeing the trophy. People are taking pictures. People want to just kind of take away the trophy. Pata chala koi lekar bhag gaya.
What do you mean? Kahan hai trophy?
I know some people from different teams who are just hovering around. It's like, hum leke bhag jate.
This is like in the shadi. Who's going to take
The juta.
the jutas? No, guys. Only may the best team win. Please keep your hands off that trophy.
Yeah, that trophy is extremely precious for the winners especially.
Yes.
Well, this was Regina. We had a brilliant chat and now let's go back to the match and see who wins the finals. Back to you guys.